Salix alba Tristis. Salix alba Tristis is a cultivar of the white willow tree, also known as the golden weeping willow. It is a deciduous tree that is known for its striking appearance, with long, narrow leaves that are a light greenish-yellow color and a weeping growth habit. Here is some additional information about Salix alba Tristis. Size: Salix alba Tristis can grow up to 50 feet, 15 meters, tall and 30 feet, 9 meters, wide, with a fast growth rate of up to 3 feet, 1 meter, per year. Climate: it is a hardy tree that can grow in a range of climates, including USDA hardiness zones 2 to 9. Soil: Salix alba Tristis prefers moist, well-drained soil and can tolerate both acidic and alkaline soil types. Sunlight: it grows best in full sun to partial shade. Uses: Salix alba Tristis is commonly used as a specimen tree or planted near water features such as ponds or streams due to its weeping habit and attractive foliage. It is also sometimes used for erosion control. Maintenance: pruning is necessary to maintain its shape and prevent damage from wind and snow. It is also susceptible to a number of pests and diseases, so regular monitoring is important. Overall, Salix alba Tristis is a beautiful tree with a unique appearance that can add interest to any landscape.